Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get rewards from the DG member survey. So go to the the event tab and go to discovery. Go to DG member survey and press go. You'll get some wishing stars and some coins. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. You'll receive 8,000 gold and 20 wishing stars. So I'm just going to select next page here. You can also choose from these languages. But I'm just going to choose English and I'll be right back once I finish the survey. Okay, once this is done, you're just going to close it and then you are going to get the reward in your mailbox. Just press claim and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!